Hello. With my daughter today. And we're up at this Olympic Stadium. So we're at something called Stadium Street right here. And we're going to be walking down that way, which is a street that goes along the stadium. And we're going to follow it, and there's a kind of an interesting event today, so you're going to see a lot of people. That's going to be our focus street. You'll get an idea what it looks like on an interesting day like today, when there's a lot of activities and people around. And that's everybody coming out of the train station, the long LRT. So stay tuned. $2024. Let's check out Macau. Come on. So we're gonna hop into this little crowd of people here. So stay tuned and we're gonna go on down. Alright, so we just came out of the elevator there. What we're gonna do is we're gonna go past the stadium right here, and then we're gonna go down our Target Street. So this is actually gonna be a Target Street video where we start out at the station. I believe it's called Olympic Stadium Station. And then that says Olympic Sports Stadium. And over there, there's actually Olympic swimming pool. So those are all available to the public. I think you've even swam in that building before, haven't you? So that's a nice swimming pool, right? So we're gonna go down our Target Street, which is absolutely filled with people today, which is kind of makes it a good day, because usually the street doesn't have big events like this, so the streets can be a little bit empty. But today it's actually a pedestrian street, and it's going to be more interesting than usual because there's a concert here, a K-pop concert. Oh, okay. This side is actually cars can go down it, and then later it's going to be a pedestrian street. They cut off the traffic, so we'll see that when we get down that way a little bit. So I'm gonna meander through the crowds a little bit. I think you can, did you hear the roar of people, crowds up there? Because there's an event, you can hear the audience. And I believe the band's name is Wan Chan Woo. I think the band's called is Wan Woo, and then the artist is Wan Chan Woo, I believe. I think I just heard more of the so up there's going to be a lot of people walking by. Got ambulances right here ready. More crowds. And then we got all the banyan trees. And we got something kind of cool coming up, don't we? What do we got up ahead?
It's a big crowd of people.
Yeah, and they cut off the street for pedestrians because of the concert. So it's bringing in so many people today that they needed crowd control. We're doing makeup there. You need any makeup? Yeah, it's actually a pretty interesting day today. So we're gonna go down this way. You can actually hear the audience, right? I'm gonna capture our street sign real quick. So our street sign is Sports Street. So this is Beco do Desporto right there. And then you can see the audience right there. So I think the event is over here, but there's also a lot of people in these stands over here as well. So we're gonna go down this way. And then in a moment, we're gonna get a big giant pedestrian street so we can walk casually and easily. And this is called Sports Street. We're in Taipa near a sports stadium, near the Sports Olympic swimming pool as well. And you can hear the crowds. Let's walk over this way. And there's a school over that direction. And this busy street is called Sports Street. So this is captured real quick. So that's Sports Street. Rua do Desporto. And today it's a big pedestrian street. We have people that are waving hello. And there's a big event way over there as well. And we got lots of fans. Actually, I bet if we wave to people, they would wave back for the camera, I bet. But I don't want to do it though. And this street, it's usually kids just playing soccer on the sides here, and then a school over on this side where they'll play basketball. But today, because of this big event, it has a different feel today. It's funny. Did you hear that? So right over there, there's a Western woman. So she goes, "I'm 29," and then the girl said, "Oh, I'm 17." So it's kind of funny, right? So they're both coming to see the concert, but they were just kind of like interacting in English and talking about it. And there's an age difference. It's kind of funny, kind of cool, kind of interesting. So yeah, I think there's a lot of young people here, but there's also people of all ages as well. Did you get any good pictures of the street? Do you want some?
I don't want to take pictures of people.
Yeah, I like street scene pictures. So if it was me, I would capture the street scene, and I would capture the camera going like this way. Like if I had the camera here and then you take a big picture like that, it's kind of cool. Actually, might have to do that. So we're going to go down just a little bit further. And then we can come out to the end of our street. And then when we come to the end, we're basically in the heart of Taipa. And then you can see the pedestrian street today. So I guess I'm going to just come right up to the end here. And then you can see Broadway Casino straight ahead. And then you can see this whole street. There's a lot of people that are all the way up and down the street today, so it's very popular. Taipa Village area. And then that's the other street that goes down through Taipa as well, the main streets. And I guess on that note, we're going to end it right there. Anything you want to say in this video? All right. Olympic Street in Taipa of Macau. Like and subscribe. 2024. Let's check out Macau. Come on.